Okay children, let's get started. Let us see how to open MS Excel. So you can type in search box. Here children, I have used magnifier to show you screen in little big size. So just now I'm typing here Excel in the search box. So simply as soon as I type Excel here, you can see it on the this pop-up menu. The Microsoft Excel 2010 is appearing. So just you can click it, or you can just click on the window here and window button and find the Microsoft Office from Microsoft Office. Now you choose MS Excel here. So this way you can open MS Excel 2010, 13, 19, whatever you have in your computer. So when you click on the Excel, you will get one screen on your monitor. So the Excel window that appears on the screen is called Workbook. So children, you please focus on this area at the top area. Whatever I am showing, you can see in the little big form. So when you open, it always opens with the by default name Book 1. It is assigned a temporary name as a Book 1 and it will show in which app you are working, Microsoft Excel, and it is also called title bar. Here in the top left corner you will see the quick access toolbar. It has these buttons: save button, undo, redo, and this drop down menu. If you want to add any of the option, you can add it very easily. Under that you will get the tabs, different type of tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, and view options. So under this, if you click on the home tab, then the home tabs ribbon will be opened, and on the ribbon you can see different groups, and these groups have different tools. So suppose this is the clipboard group and it has got 4 tools: paste, cut, copy, and format painter. So now if you click on the page layout, you will see these groups will appear: themes, page setup, scale to fit, and these are having different groups. So in the themes you will get these many tools. So now come back to the home tab. Under the home tab, this is called the components of MS Excel, of worksheet. Now children, come back to this. It is cell. Here which you are seeing this, a cell is an intersection of column and a row in a worksheet. Let me magnify a little bit. Okay, so each cell is identified by the combination of its column letter and row number. As you see, my pointer is on the first row and first column. As you see, the color, yellow color is coming. It means this is a active, 1 is a active row and A is a active column. So, and which is also known as cell address. So when you will ask me where is which cell is active, so I will tell that A1 is a active cell. So first we write column name and then row number. Now if my pointer is here, so active cell is C2. C is a column and 2 is a row. So this is a name box. This area, the white area which comes under the ribbon, is called name box. It represents the cell address. For the example, A cell is used to store data such as text. You can type any text, like suppose I type Jaipuriya, okay, and it also represents number. Any number you can type in a cell. You can type formulas. When we will use formula, then we'll see how to write the formula, because it has some rule to write formula and functions, etc. A cell contain up to 32,767 32,767 characters in one cell. You can enter these many characters in one cell. Okay, now this is also known as active cell. It is also known as active cell. Why? Because the highlighted box is called cell pointer. It indicates that current cell is active. Data can be entered only in the active cell. A range. Now what is a range? A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of rectangle. Suppose I'll select this much data I have selected. So this is called as range. It can be as small as a single cell or big as an entire worksheet. Now, name box, as I have already discussed. Next is a formula bar. This is a formula bar. Fx. The formula is represented in MS Excel with Fx. So you can type your formula here. So the formula bar is located to the right of the name box. This bar shows the data and formula that you enter in an active cell. If I enter any data here, suppose I enter data like I'll type my name, Preeti. So you can see it also represents in the this bar. In the formula bar you can see the data also. Okay. Now column headings. So column headings, it starts from A, B, C, D, E, F. This way alphabet across the top border of each worksheets are called column headings. These headings identify columns with the letter A to Z, AA through AZ and up to XFD. For total number of columns are in one worksheet is 16,384 columns. So this is the last column, XFD. These many combinations are there. So as soon as you press Control End key, you will reach to the end last column of your worksheet. Now, how many columns? Let me type 16,384 columns. Now, row headings. Row heading are the numbers marked from 1 to 1,48,576 along the left border to the worksheet to represent the rows. So it starts from the 1 and one worksheet has got 1,48,576 rows in one worksheet. So these many rows you will get in single worksheet. Okay, now children, in one worksheet it consists columns are represented by alphabet on top and rows by numbers on left side of the worksheet that I have told you. Now a worksheet is a grid like area made up of rows and columns, where you can enter and work with data. By default, an Excel workbook displays three worksheets at the bottom. As you see, children, here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, with the names which I have told you, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and we can add any number of worksheets in a workbook according to the limits of memory available on computer. If we need more worksheet in a workbook, we can add it from very easily from this button. As soon as you click on it, automatically sheet 4 will be added. This way you can add as many as sheets you want in your workbook. Now, under that sheet, you can see the status bar. This row is status bar, last row. So the status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window. It gives us information about the current selection. It includes the name of the currently selected commands or current activity. It also displays warning messages. So if you get any warning messages, you can get it on this status bar. And this just now it is in ready mode because we are working on it, this worksheet. So it is showing ready mode, and here in the your right hand side you can see there are different page layouts. Normal, just now we are working in normal page. This is page layout view. This is page break preview, and here it is a magnifier, so you can magnify your page according to your need. Suppose just now I have increased its size. So this way you can see just now I am working in sheet 6. Now if I want to go back in my previous sheet, I click on the sheet 1. So this way I have come back to my sheet. Now here, children, as I have shown you, we can enter text, number, or we can insert formula, and also we can enter function in MS Excel. So this way, children, it is all components of the Microsoft Excel window I have discussed with you. Next time we will see how to work in MS Excel. Thank you.